Welcome to Violin Adventures number 74. We start off with the repair of a nice old violin, and then we really get into carving the YouTube violin. Well, here we've got a nice old instrument, and look at those pegs. Look at those pegs, they're all used up. So we're going to replace them. Okay, there we are. Now we have a happy violin and a happy player. Let's make another candle. and more carving. Then we'll take a look outside. Okay, if you can hear me about the roar of the rain, this is the beginning of a ice storm that's coming. So it's been raining for almost 24 hours, and now it's going to begin to cool, and they say that the water will turn to ice, and then we'll have some sleet and maybe some snow after that. So I'm going to document this here. This is the beginning, lots of rain. Our creek is just coming up to the top, and we'll see what happens from here. So this is a couple hours later. It's supposed to be freezing right now, but it's not quite. So the river is starting to flood a bit. And that's the update. We'll keep you posted. Well, here we are the next day. The ice didn't materialize like they thought it would, so that's good. And we just had a lot of rain and some little bit of freezing temperatures, and now just a little bit of snow. I got the shop all cleaned up because this week we were going to have someone come through that was going to have an interview on the shop. But they had to cancel because of the ice storm that was predicted. So right now the shop is all nice and clean, and I guess all that's left to do is to mess it up again. week we're just mainly carving the top. And I want to make sure there's no flat surface on here. So that's what I keep checking. And I also want to make sure the height is good. And right now we're at 18. So that's still a little bit high. So what I want to do now, since the shape is pretty close to what I want, I'm now going to go around it and just define the edges more. So right here is a little branch that's coming out of the tree. So I'm going to work on this and make sure that we don't have any tear out. Okay, here we've cleaned it up just a bit. So we'll see if this will be in the finished product or if it will eventually go away. And we'll also see if it pops up as we go in deeper. Well, it looks like there might be another little branch coming through right here. We'll see. Well, it's the end of the week. Let's take a look around the shop. the Hebrew Minute. Hanotin shelig katzamer, kafur ka'afer yafatzer, mashalik karhu, kapitim lifnei kavrato mi ya'amod. He gives snow like wool. He scatters the frost like ashes. He sends forth his ice. Who can stand before his cold? Well, thank you all so much for watching, for your thumbs up and your comments, which I enjoy reading. And to the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And until next time, God bless you. Bye.